Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to sum numbers, ranges, and values in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. So the quick and easy way is to use the AutoSum tool. You put your you select the cell where you want to sum the data, and you click AutoSum. If you happen to be right below some data, it will auto sum that range for you. It'll choose range B2 through B14 for you. If for some reason you don't want it to be that range, you would change what cells it did use in the range. Okay. You just change. So I changed it from B2 to B10. I could change it to B8. Whatever I want to do, you change that range. Okay, so that's if you're going to do a range. That's pretty easy. Let's say we were doing it over here where it might not auto sum as easy. We would click auto sum, and it selected that. I would change that by clicking and dragging the range that I want. All right, so that's the quick and easy way to use the auto sum feature if that works. But maybe you want to add this cell to that cell to this cell to that cell, and that you got to do it by hand. So you would click equals, then you'd select the first cell you want to sum, add sign, second cell, add sign, third cell, and so on. You'd add up whatever cells you want to include in that sum. Okay? So that is how you sum numbers, values, and ranges in Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll make a custom video for you. If you want to check out more Excel tutorials, check out the playlist that's with this description. And I hope you found this useful, and I hope you'll subscribe to Teach Mom How.